Okay, this is Casada to Amparo. So we're gonna walk straight up this way. This goes up to Sao Paulo ruins, so we're actually gonna take it all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins, starting from this location. So we're going to do a little intro right here, and there's a street also called Portuguese Street. So we'll show that in a second, and then over on this side, I kind of want to highlight these beauty of these buildings right here too, because there's I'll show you. There's these ones right here. They're very photogenic. I see this in shops all the time. There's also a food truck as well. I'll just say hello to him real quick. And then we're gonna go up our target street. And that's Amparo. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, this is really photogenic, these colorful buildings. I'm just gonna walk in real quick and just say. So yeah, if you go down this way, this goes to Sao Paulo ruins, and there's a food truck right here. That's what I'm seeing. This just saying hello. So this is food truck right here. Kevin. We're gonna go up to Sao Paulo ruins, and people will see where the shop is at. So this one is right up here, and our target street is gonna be. I just had some bifana right there, so you can get bifanas, peregos, Portuguese food, superbox, all kinds of cool stuff. And that's found right there. So that's actually the base of Calçada do Amparo, and now we're gonna go on up our shop. There's a little bit of history right here as well. I think we'll see more signs. And they're usually always doing something. There was another guy that was in business here. It's funny that he's out of business now. But the guy that was here with this business, and there's another one. This used to be a Turkish kebab shop. Yeah, that one right there. That guy used to have one of these little sheds right here. So I'd see him go back and forth. But yeah, this one used to be a Turkish kebab shop. And food truck has been there for 6.5 years. He just had a 6-year anniversary just a little while ago. We're just gonna walk into some of these a little bit as well. This is also this little patio. What is that? Tudigong? Looks like a different one. I'm trying to learn more of these. I think that's Tudigong, the staff. So we're gonna just check out the little patios of Amparo too. So we have Calçada. Looks kind of cool like that. We got like this old font, like a typewriter font. It's really cool. So this little patio goes down here. Yuki's pastry. Okay. So yeah, there's a story about this street too. I guess it's like haunted at nighttime, but I haven't felt it. I've walked around here at nighttime before. Never felt that feeling. And actually before COVID, I think that's Tudigong, right? Like Tudigong also, I think the other Tudigong has like knee, like little things on the knee, like a little sign. So I think that's actually similar. Coffee shop. Let's go on up. The Beatles. Like they're preparing something out here. So it looks like they're kind of have like some furniture out here. It's a nice street because it also leads up to Sao Paulo ruins. It's kind of like a back street to it. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking up. We got another little patio here. But I'm gonna keep on going down ours. Let me see. Actually kind of cool too because they got some seats right over there. I think I'm going to try to go over there in a minute. So we're going to head on up that way in a second. But I just want to see what these two chairs are real quick. It's kind of cool. Light right there too. Okay, so we're gonna head on up. Kind of cool. Like a new shop. Pretty cool. So we haven't gone too far, and we're still at our food truck. So now we're gonna head on up. Sao Paulo ruins is very close. Portuguese Street Souvenirs is right here. Then we got our sign that says Portuguese Street. It's right here. Começando do fim do início. Kind of cool. Okay, so let's head on up. And once we get up here, so we're gonna got some more kind of cool little businesses. That's our target street right there, Amparo. Oh, actually, there's a sign I just want to share real quick. That's where we started at, and I just said hello to the owner there. Okay, so we're gonna head on up. So that's Amparo. Casada do Amparo. The other thing you can see too is you can actually look into some of these little alleyways right in that way. And there's one alleyway that's down that way that actually has an underground passageway all the way to Sao Paulo Church. So we're gonna actually walk to Sao Paulo ruins right now. So many people today. So yeah, that's actually Casada do Amparo. And once you get up to the top, you can see tourists kind of everywhere. We'll see more of them soon in a second. And right in this direction, we have Sao Paulo ruins. So very, 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 very cool. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way this way in this direction. Yeah, it's actually Sao Paulo ruins straight ahead. So we started at Casada de Amparo. I'm just gonna walk straight up to Sao Paulo ruins, and then we're gonna flip around in a moment and give you some context. So yeah, actually today is Saturday, December 2nd. Now you can see this amazing view of where we're just at. So there's crowds everywhere today, as you can see. Yeah, that'll be crowded all the way down. So, okay, no worries. So pretty cool. It's just so yeah, I just got tons and tons and tons of people. So yeah, we started at Casada de Amparo, and we started where the food truck was at, and now we just have like tons of people everywhere. Pretty cool little spot. And there's Sao Paulo ruins. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.